I'm going to teach you how to multiply the matrices. Suppose A is A, B, C, D and B is P, Q, R, S. Order of A is 2 by 2 and order of B is also 2 by 2. Now the columns out here is 2 and row out here is 2. So we can multiply A and B. Now how to find A and B? To multiply A and B, you have to use row versus column. Okay, you have to multiply row versus column. So first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Now see how to multiply first row and first column. So AP plus sign in the middle, plus sign in the middle, BR. So this is your first element, AP plus BR. Now AQ plus BS. Now CP in the middle you write plus sign plus DR. Now next is CQ plus DS. Now I'm going to give you one more example. In second example, out here they are not square matrix. Now see the order of A is A, B, C, D. This is 2 by 2 and order out here is there we have 2 rows out here and 1 column. So now column out here is 2 and row out here is 2. So we can multiply these two matrices, but they are not square matrix. The second one is not a square matrix. Now how to multiply AB and to get the product AB? So row versus column. So first row, first column, AM plus BN. This is your first element. Now to get the second element, you need to multiply first row, second column, but we don't have second column out here. So in that case, you directly use second row, first column. So CM plus DN. So this is your product matrix. Now I'll support this with the help of examples. So now the questions. So question number 1 is, if A is equals to 3, 5, 4 minus 2 and B is equals to 2, 4, is the product possible? The question is asking you, can you multiply these two matrices? Give a reason. You are asked to give a reason. If yes, find AB. If you can multiply these two, then find the product AB. Let us check. The order of A is 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 column, and order of B is 2 by 1. 2 row, 1 column. Out here the number of column is 2 and out here number of row is 2. That means product of the number of columns of A, that is 2, and the number of row of B is also 2. So therefore AB is possible. That means the number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of row of second matrix. Therefore we can multiply AB. So I gave the reason also, then I said that this is possible to multiply. Now let us multiply AB and get the answer. So now first row, first column, Now 3 into 2, 3 multiplied by 2, plus sign in the middle, then 5 multiplied by 4. So this is your first element. Now we don't have second column in second matrix, so no need to do the second part. Now see, second row, first column. So 4 into 2, plus sign in the middle, minus 2 into 4. So 3 2s are 6 plus 5 4s are 20. So 4 2s are 8, plus into minus, 4 2s are 8. So 20 plus 6 is 26, 8 minus 8 is 0. So AB is 26, 0. Okay. Now second example, second question. If A is equals to 2, 5, 1, 3 and B is equals to 1 minus 1, 3, 2, find AB and BA. You are asked to find AB as well as BA. Now second part of the question says that is AB and BA equal? Let us check. Now see, order of first matrix is 2 by 2, order of second matrix is also 2 by 2. That means number of columns of first matrix is 2, number of row of second matrix is 2. That means we can multiply these two matrices. Let us find AB. So row versus column. First row, first column. 2 1s are 2, plus into minus, 5 3s are 15. Now first row, second column, plus into minus, so 2 1s are 2 and plus 5 2s are 10. First row, first column gives you this. First row, second column is giving you this. Now second row, use second row. 1 1s are 1, plus into minus, 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now second row, second column, plus into minus, minus 1 1s are 1, so 3 2s are 6. So we are getting 2 minus 15 is minus 13, minus 2 plus 10 is 8, and 1 minus 9 is minus 8, minus 1 plus 6 is 5. So that means AB is minus 13, 8, minus 8, 5. Now let us find BA. So B is 1, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 2, 5, 1, 3. So now B row versus column. So first row, first column. Now first multiply first row and first column. So 1 2 is a 2, plus into minus, minus 1 1 is a 1. So 1 5 is a 5, 1 3 is a 3. First row, first column, first row, second column. Now second row, first column, plus into minus, minus 3 2 is a 6, plus 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 2 1 is a 2. So plus into minus, minus. So now 3 5 is a 15. So plus 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 3 2 is 6. So first row, first column, first element, first row, second column, second element, second row, first column, third element, second row, second column, fourth element. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and 5 minus 3 is 2, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4, minus 15 plus 6 is minus 9. So BA is 1 2 minus 4 minus 9. So now AB is 13 8 minus 8 5, and B is 1 2 minus 4 minus 9. That means if you multiply AB and if you multiply BA, they are not equal. So is AB is equals to BA? Answer is no. In other words, we also can say that matrix multiplication is not commutative. If AB not equals to BA, then we say that they are not commutative. So matrix multiplication is not commutative.